welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Sephora and Ulta Black Friday haul. I know you cannot get these deals anymore, but I thought it would still be fun to share with you guys what I got on Black Friday. I feel like the deals were really good this year. I don't know if the brands were like trying to overcompensate for such a crappy year that we've all had or what, but I definitely took advantage of the good sales at Sephora and Ulta. I posted a lot about this on my Instagram, like as the sales were actually live. So if you don't follow me over on Instagram, you definitely should. I'm super active over there. And sometimes my YouTube videos are a little bit delayed, but obviously the Instagram stories is like instant. So definitely check me out over there. But some of the Black Friday deals have been the same thing for year after year after year, and they're really good staple products that I buy every single year. So I wanted to share them with you guys, even though it's not Black Friday anymore. Okay, let's start with Ulta. Now, I actually did make an uh-oh at Ulta because I was in such a fury to place my order so they actually started their deals way early this year, which is great. I like that because then you don't have to be in such a fury. But one of the products I wanted to get was sold out. And so in my mind, I was like, oh my God, all these products are gonna sell out really fast. And I just click add, added everything to my cart and checked out with Apple Pay, not realizing that there was something in my cart that I had added a while back that was just sitting there. You know, one of those purchases where you're like, should I buy this or should I not buy this? There was actually two things in my cart that I didn't technically mean to buy. Ironically, both things were on sale for Black Friday, so it kind of ended up working out in my favor. The first thing that was an uh-oh purchase was the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I made a video, gosh, probably 6 months ago now, where I ranked all of my Urban Decay Naked palettes. And I talked about the Naked Cherry palette. I didn't have it at the time, but I was like, I really want to try it out. And I've had my eye on this one for so long. And a couple of months ago, they actually put this on sale for 50% off. So it was like 20 something dollars. And I put it in my cart at that time. And I was this close to buying it. And then I was like, Melissa, you don't use eyeshadow palettes this year. And I was right, I really don't use a whole lot of eyeshadow palettes this year. So I resisted buying. And since then, it's like winded up in my cart and out of my cart a couple of times because I've been this close to pulling the trigger. Anyways, it was in my cart and this was on sale for Black Friday, 50% off. It was this palette, the Naked Honey palette, and the Naked Reloaded palette, all three of those were on sale. So anyways, I'm on the fence as to whether or not I actually want to save this or return it. It's so pretty. The packaging is really pretty. And the colors, I'm so into like these maroons, berries, pinks. I'm really into those right now. And this is obviously full of it because it's the cherry palette. So I don't know. I do think it looks a lot like the eyeshadows that I already own, but it's so pretty. So I don't know. I don't know if I want to save it. There's some really pretty colors in here. I like the color Feels, which is like a good matte crease color. A lot of these look like kind of what I'm wearing on my eyes today, like the maroonish colors. So anyways, I did end up buying that. And then the other thing that was in my cart, I had this in my cart because 11th Gorgeous was talking about this in a couple of their most recent videos actually. And it's like a tinted conditioner, which I think is a really good idea to use in between highlights. So I can't even remember the last time I had my hair highlighted. You can tell, I mean, it's growing out quite a bit. I think it was in June, which was 6 months ago. And so in between, if your hair isn't blended really well, if your roots aren't blended really well, sometimes it can be very apparent that you haven't highlighted your hair in 6 months. And then it's like, is she trying to do an ombre or, you know, she just have roots? So anyway, something like this in theory seems like a good idea to me. It looks beautiful. So Tracy from 11th Gorgeous has been using this on her hair. She typically has highlighted blonde hair like me, and her hair looks great with this in it. So this is the Cara Color and Conditioner. Yeah, that's what it's called. Cleanse and condition all in one. I would probably still wash and condition my hair and then just use this afterwards because that kind of scares me. But this is in the color Mocha, so it's like a brown, like a rich brown, but when you use it on top of blonde hair, it's just supposed to like, her hair looks good. So if you want to go see what her hair looks like, that's why I wanted to get it. So anyways, this was in my cart because I wanted to get it. And at the time I had it in my cart, there was a free gift with purchase. So the free gift with purchase was this right here, which is another cleanser conditioner thing, but just the smaller version of it in the pink color. So both of these were in my cart, and it just so happens this was on sale for Black Friday, like 50% off, but there was no longer a free gift with purchase. However, this stayed in my cart. So when I bought it, I accidentally purchased this when I probably wouldn't have bought this. Otherwise, it's a pink one. I would maybe be interested in like the purple one, but probably not the pink one. I don't know. But this was like $9, whereas this was like $12 because of the Black Friday sale. And there's a huge difference. This is 3 ounces, this is 12 ounces. So I'll probably return this. I know it's only $9, but like $9 is $9. Okay, the Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado was also on sale for Black Friday. I want to say it was 50% off. This is my favorite eye cream, you guys. I use it year round all the time. I think it's so good. It helps so much with hydration. It's tinted yellow, so it gives you a little bit of brightening effect also. I just love it. So I've never seen this on sale anywhere before for any kind of deal, and I was like shocked. So I definitely picked it up. I'm not in need of an eye cream right now. I actually just opened one of these and I started using it, so I have pretty much the full jar already left, and these last forever because they're huge. They're almost a full ounce, which is like the size of a facial moisturizer. They sell a smaller jar, but anyways, I definitely wanted to pick it up. There's a seal on it, so it's gonna stay good. I can probably save it for 6 months or so until I need another eye cream. If you're looking for a good eye cream that does not contain retinol, this is a good one. So First Aid Beauty typically has a pretty good Black Friday sale at both Ulta and Sephora. I actually wanted to get their giant tub of their Ultra Repair Cream at Ulta, and that's what was sold out, and that's what made me furiously buy everything else. But these are a new product this year. They came out with a body wash, and there's 4 different scents. The pear one is actually the one that really caught my attention, and I was this close to purchasing it like full price when it first launched, but I didn't. And I actually told my mom and sister that I really, really wanted it for Christmas. So I'm kind of hoping that they did buy it for me, but on the Black Friday sale, because I want more than one of these. I feel like I'm gonna blow through this and then I'm gonna want more. So these say $18 on them, but they were on sale for like $6. I think it was $6 during the Black Friday sale, which is crazy. Why was it so cheap? I don't know. It's a brand new product too. So I got the Gilded Pear scent. These are 16 ounces, by the way, so they're pretty big. It smells so good, you guys. It smells, I love the smell of pear. It's something about pear scents, and it's kind of hard to find pear, like just pear by itself. Usually there's pear notes and things, but just a flat pear scent is kind of hard to find. So this did not disappoint. I'm so excited I got that. They also had little miniature Ultra Repair creams for $4. So these say $8 on them, but they were only $4 during the Black Friday sale. These are 1 ounce, so I have to imagine they're itty bitty tiny. Yeah, so cute. Cute little travel sizes, but this one smells like pear as well. I'm assuming there's a seal on it, so I'm not gonna open it up. This would make a really cute stocking stuffer. And then because those were on such a good sale, I decided to pick up the vanilla cookie one as well in both the Ultra Repair Cream and the shower gel. This one I am disappointed in, and some of you guys warned me on my Instagram and you said that the vanilla cookie one is very, very faintly scented, and you're right. I mean, I can't even smell anything. It just splashed on my face. I don't smell a darn thing. So if you're into unscented products or maybe very, very lightly scented products, you might actually really like this. I like very strong fragrances. It's just what I really like Vanilla Bean Noel from Bath & Body Works, so I was kind of hoping this would kind of smell like that, but it doesn't. But the fact that these are body washes from First Aid Beauty like really, really sparks my interest. More to come on this. I will definitely let you guys know. And then Sephora went the traditional route this year, and they did not put their products online early. It was just Black Friday. And then I think they kept them online until they sold out. So like if they were still available days later, they were still there. But Ulta had their stuff online like way early. So anyways, for Sephora, I picked up some of my, you know what? I 100% intended on also buying, and I didn't, I'm looking at my order online, it's not on my receipt, From Ulta, the Philosophy Purity was also on sale for $15, and I typically buy that every single year, and it lasts me all year because it's like one of the 8-ounce bottles, and I 100% fully intended on buying it, and it looks like I didn't, which is okay because I ended up buying another face wash at Sephora, but I really like Philosophy Purity, so I'm kind of bummed that I somehow missed that, or maybe it sold out and it was taken out of my cart or something. But I did get this one from Sephora. So this is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. I have tried this one before. I like the Philosophy one better, but this one was a really good deal. Originally this is like $35 and it was $15 for Black Friday, and it's 7.8 ounces. So this will do. I'm just kind of sad that I missed my Philosophy Purity. And then this is something I try to swoop up every single year. So I mentioned that it was sold out at Ulta. So Ulta had the Ultra Repair Cream in a tub, and it was the grapefruit scented one. Sephora had it in the tube. So Ultra Repair Cream, same thing. This is the unscented one, and these are, I think these are bigger. These are 8 ounces, and I think the tubs are 6 ounces. So it's kind of a good thing I missed out on it at Ulta, because then I ended up getting these at Sephora instead. So these are originally, you know what I mean, all the E's, $42, and they're on sale for $15 on Black Friday, you guys. And these are still on the Sephora website, but they are now back up to their normal $42 price tag, which is outrageous. I can't imagine spending that much money, but it is a really good moisturizer. So anyways, I bought 2 of these. One of these will typically last me about 6 months, so 2 of these should last me all year. I just finished up my tube that I bought last Black Friday, so if that tells you anything, it lasted me all year. However, I was very selective in where I used it last year. I remember using it mostly just on my neck, whereas sometimes I use it as an all-over face cream, so it just depends on what I'm feeling. But anyways, these should definitely last me until next year. This is a great moisturizer, you guys, by the way, if you've never used it before. It's really, really nice for eczema. Sometimes I use it on my hands. It's safe for your face or your arms. I've also heard it's good for babies, but I haven't used it on Lincoln yet. I've been tempted. And then I also purchased the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout Mascara. This was $15, originally $30, so it was 50% off. The packaging is what got me, you guys. Look at how stinking adorable this packaging is. It looks like a curling iron, like or like a round brush or something. How cute. It Cosmetics has really good marketing. Like their marketing team completely knocked it out of the park with this. So I asked on my Instagram if you guys had tried this before and what your thoughts were, and a lot of you said that you really liked it, or it's your holy grail mascara. So that's reassuring. Hopefully it was a good purchase. So those were my Black Friday purchases. I do have some products that I bought from Sephora that were not part of the Black Friday sale. So I'm just gonna show them to you in this video really quick because, you know, why not? The first thing is by Charlotte Tilbury. This was on the Sephora website for like a hot minute, literally for like 2 hours, and then it was gone. Like it wasn't even sold out or showing us sold out. It was just completely gone from the website. So I don't know if it was a mistake or what, but I'm glad that I was able to snag it. So this is the Glowgasm Lips. It's a new product by Charlotte Tilbury. It's her pH adjusting lip balm. I love products like this. I don't know what it is about them, but I love products like this. They just draw me in. Plus the packaging is like, it's like her standard packaging, but it's pink and it's kind of like holographic. So everything about this, the marketing, the packaging, the product itself completely drew me in. As you can tell, it's like a clear balm with glitter in it. It does, it kind of has a fresh scent to it, but it kind of smells chemically too. It's one of those where they tried to fragrance it, but like the chemical scent is still taking over. I don't know. I also picked up the jumbo size of the Fresh Deep Hydration Face Cream. I love this face cream, you guys. I've recently started using, or I guess reusing it, because I had used it before and then I kind of put the tub away. And then I saw it in my cabinet and I was like, I should finish that up. And so I started reusing it. I love it so much. I love Fresh Beauty. You guys know that. Their rose serum is so good. Layered with the face cream, you can't beat it. It's so good. It smells good. It's nice and hydrating on the face. I used to really like the Peter Thomas Roth rose cream. That was discontinued, so this is like better. Like it's my replacement for it, but it's a better replacement, if that makes any sense. So anyways, they have this jumbo jar that is a little bit pricey, but if it's a product that you know you're going to use, sometimes the jumbos are a better deal because like the product to value ratio type thing. So anyways, here's what it looks like. It's 3 ounces. I think typically it's 1 ounce. So this should last me a very long time. And then I also needed a new sunscreen. I've been using the Supergoop Unseen. I love that one a lot, but that one is a chemical sunscreen, and a lot of people have told me that chemical sunscreens can be bad for your skin. I don't know. I need to do more research on it, but I had just had a couple people say like, you should try to use mineral sunscreen instead of chemical sunscreen. And so it kind of just scared me a little bit. So I figured, you know what, I need to buy a new sunscreen anyways, and so I looked specifically for mineral sunscreens instead of chemical sunscreens. It's actually kind of hard to find mineral sunscreens, at least on the Sephora website it is. But the Pharmacy brand has one. So this is the Pharmacy Green Defense Daily Mineral Sunscreen, SPF 30. This one had pretty good ratings, and when I was on the hunt for sunscreen back in, when was that, April, I had asked on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys recommended this one too, Supergoop and this one. So I kind of had this one on my radar anyways. Doesn't have a smell, which is good. That's one of the things I hate about sunscreens is they smell, and I hate sunscreen smells. So alright guys, well that was my Ulta and Sephora Black Friday purchases. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you snagged anything from their Black Friday sales, let me know in the comment section down below because I love to know what other people purchase.